Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about if you want to use auto clicker on your iPhone without third party application due to any reason for auto clicking. So first of all, open setting application, and here is scroll down, tap on accessibility here, and scroll down, and now tap on switch control and tap on switches. Now tap on add new switches, tap on screen and full screen, and here's the option, simply tap on tap. And now guys, go back from here. Now tap on recipes, tap on create new recipe, and now write a name of your new recipe like this. And after that, assign switch, here tap on it. Now tap on full screen. Now tap on custom gesture. Here is, now you have to select the place where you want to lot of clicks. Then I click here, as you can see appears on screen. And after that, after selecting or clicking, tap on save top right corner. After that, simply go back from here. Now again go back. Now go back from here and tap on launch recipe, tap on it, and tap on auto clicker you have to recently created. Now simply go back. Now last thing is, go back and scroll down and find out accessibility shortcut. Here is, tap on it, and now scroll down and find out switch control, simply select here. Now your work is done. Now close. Now when you want to use auto clicker, simply press 3 times of power button, here you can see, and when you click 3 times, your auto clicker is on. Select or click any place of screen, you can see your auto clicker is working. After that, when you want to turn off, simply select again 3 times of power button, here you can see, select 3 times. When you select 3 times, your auto clicker is turned off. So you can your auto clicker use by this method. Please like and subscribe to my channel.